Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a macrame wall hanging decor, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make it. It's super simple and easy, and it's one of my favorite hobbies and things to do, so I think you guys will really enjoy it. I have a couple of them that I've created in the past I'll share with you, and I'll show you what they look like before we get started, and I might do a tutorial on the other one that I've done in the past if you guys want that. So just let me know in the comments down below, and make sure you give this video a like. So let's just get started. Okay, so these are the wall hangings that we are going to be making. I'm going to be making a really small one, so I've made a big one, a medium one, and then the one I'm going to be making with you guys is just, I think it's 6 inches. Okay, right now I'm going to share with you the supplies that you're going to need. So you're going to need a tape measure, some macrame cord. I got this one at Hobby Lobby for $6. Then you're going to need some of these embroidery hoops. This one's 10 inches and this one I think is, I don't know, 6 inches. And then you're gonna need scissors. And that is all the supplies that you're gonna need. So to start out, you're gonna want to get 42 inches spread out on your tape measure, and then you're gonna cut your string 42 inches long. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I just finished cutting my string and I only have enough for the little one. So you're gonna need 7 groups of the 42 inches, if that makes sense. Okay, so to start, you're gonna do this knot. I do not know what the names of these are, but you're gonna fold your string so it has a loop on the top and then the ends on the bottom, and you're gonna lay it like this on your hoop, and then take your hoop like this and weave the 2 bottom strings under like this. And then once you do that, it creates this knot right here. So then you're gonna do that with the 7 strings. Okay, so once you got your knots all done, you're gonna start with this string right here, and we're gonna be creating a double half hitch knot. I know the name of that one, so that's pretty neat. So to create a double half hitch knot, you're gonna wanna take this string and bring it over this second string. And then after that, you're gonna create a 4. So to do that, you're gonna cross it over the string like this and then under. Once you go like that, you're gonna wanna pull it tight. So after that's done, you're gonna wanna do a 4 again, the same way, and then pull that tight. Then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, but it's opposite. So you're gonna wanna take this string, put it over this, create a 4, and bring it under, and then pull it tight, create another 4, and then pull it tight. And then on this side, you're gonna wanna do that again. So the string's already over, so create a backwards 4, and pull tight, backwards 4, and pull tight. And then we're gonna recreate that pattern on these 2 strings right here.
Woke up from a whisper, collared shirt down.
So once you got your 2 V's done, one going to the left and then one going to the right, you're gonna wanna repeat that pattern with these 4 and then these. Doing the same thing, except for the V is gonna go to the left and this one's gonna go to the right. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna be working on is this middle section right here. So we're gonna be taking these 2 strings and doing the same little diagonal pattern we did on these two sections. And you're gonna do it twice, if that makes sense.
Our Ford was warm before we drove. Breakfast fresh on the stove.
Okay, so once you're done with this is what the little section looks like, and you're gonna wanna repeat this one more time right here, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so after you have two of these sections done, you're gonna work on connecting them in the middle right here. So you're gonna be basically doing the same thing, just like a diagonal half hitch knot 3 times. So the first time you're gonna go to the right, left, and then right again. So you can watch me do that right now. Okay, so my camera died in the middle of that, but I just did the 3 diagonals right here, and this is what it looks like halfway done. And now you're gonna do the same thing to the other 2 sections of 7, and then after that I'll show you what we do.
My car was cold till 59.
So my camera died last night when I was filming, but I finished the little wall hanging, and this is what it looks like. So after you comb it out, I actually went and bought a comb. It's way easier to comb it out when you have the little comb. And then this is what it looks like. It's super cute. And then you can just nail it into your wall and have cute wall hangings.